Hi there and welcome to your practice. My name is Alan. Today we will be opening our hips, and most of the times we would have problems around the hips, especially when we are sitting a long time, or maybe if we are standing on one side, waiting for someone, for some people, and then there comes the inability to walk or move further because of tight hips. So, for us to start, let's begin by sitting on our Sukhasana, easy seated pose. Cross your legs, placing one leg in front of the other, or place one leg on top of the other. Allow yourself to sit comfortably and adjust your clothing if you haven't. Placing your hands on your lap, begin to gaze downwards. As we settle here, let's tune into our breath. Inhaling to your nose, exhaling to your mouth. Inhaling to your nose, exhaling to your mouth. Coming back to center, let's begin with twisting. So go ahead on your inhale. Begin to lift your arms up with your palms together facing upwards. Then slowly exhale, begin to twist to your right. Land your left hand on top of your right knee with your right hand behind you. On your inhale, lifting your chest up and slowly exhale. You may push and assist with your left hand as you gaze at the back of the room. Coming back to center, lift your arms up. Let's do your left side. Begin to twist to your left. Land your right hand on top of your left knee with your left hand behind you. Inhaling, lifting your chest, and then slowly exhale, twist to your left side, gazing at the back of the room. Slowly inhale, lifting your arms back to center. On your exhale, begin to land both hands right in front of your legs. Stay on your fingertips, on your spider fingers. Begin to even curl your back as you tuck your chin towards your collarbone. Inhale, look forward. Let's try to walk your hands towards your right knee or towards the right side as we begin to expand the left side of our ribs. Try to gently square your shoulders so you can feel the extension or expansion of your left side and the contraction of the right. On your inhale, look forward, begin to walk to your left this time. So at this point, you will feel a lot with the stretch of your waist or maybe your outer thigh. Slowly inhale, look forward, begin to walk back to the center, and then begin to walk your hands closer to your legs. Let us begin by standing up, and we'll do some exercises or movements for this yoga when it comes to opening the hips. Let's begin by going to the tops of our mats, stepping your right foot to the back of the room. So lifting your back heel and stacking your ankle under your knee on your left side. On your next inhale, lifting your arms up to your crescent lunge. Now slowly exhale, begin to lean forward, landing or resting your belly on top of your left thigh. Slowly exhale, land your left hand on top of your left knee, turning your right heel downwards on the floor, extending your right arm overhead, and stay here. We're going to do this on the other side. Slowly inhale to rise, extending your arms over and above your legs, spreading left and right to your warrior two. We will do your right side this time. So go ahead, turning your left foot in, then your right foot out. This time we're facing the back side of the room. Still on your warrior two, stacking your right ankle under your right knee, extending your arms front and back. When you're ready, slowly inhale and then exhale, land your right hand on top of your right knee, extending your left arm overhead. On your next inhale, we're going to turn to the back as you lift your back heel, your left heel, and lifting your right arm, extending all the way forward, resting your belly on top of your right thigh. Slowly lift your arms up rather, to your crescent lunge. Slowly step your left foot all the way to the back and then place your hands together in prayer. Now we're back on to the back side of our mats. Let's come back to the sitting position. This time we're going to have our heels together and gently land your knees to the side. If you need to place a pillow or props like a yoga block under your knees, do so to support your outer thighs. At this point, your heels, your feet are gently placed together. Begin to place your hands and wrap it around your ankles, inhaling, pulling your belly forward, maybe your chest even. Slowly exhale, turning inwards and curling your back. On your inhale, look forward. Begin to walk your hands this time above your toes. On your next inhale, again, this time, the same feeling, pulling your belly forward. Begin to walk your hands forward. Now, at this point, try to be gentle with the falling of your knees, the collapsing of your knees to the side. Some of us have different hip joints or hip openings, and therefore, some of our knees are here, some of our knees are here. For every inhale, try to lengthen your spine. For every exhale, begin to pull your head downwards. You're facing the soles of your feet at this point, or maybe your floor. One last breath here. Slowly inhale, look forward, begin to walk your hands back. And gently, you're gonna pull your knees together. So onto the side, you're gonna extend your legs. So we're now on our decompression. On your inhale, lifting your arms up. Slowly exhale. We're going to engage our hips, our core as you reach all the way forward, reaching for your big toe. With your first three fingers, your index, your middle finger, and your thumb, begin to hook your big toe. You may wiggle your elbows as you pull all them apart, tucking in. And if this is too much at this point, you may bend your knees, and it's the same. That is allowable. Slowly release, exhaling, coming back to your Sukhasana, easy seated pose, crossing your legs. And as we begin with our breath, we will end with our breath. Inhaling to your nose, opening your mouth to side out. Inhale to your nose, exhale to your mouth. Placing your hands together in prayer. Thank you so much for letting me lead you in trying to open your hips. So I hope to see you again on your next practice.